Take command of the road in the 2018 Ram 2500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.